Voice Wonder. Level up your voice production. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of voice sharing available with the Voice Talent Plan. With voice sharing, you can create and securely share approved versions of your voice. Choose which studios can access your voice. Every use is logged and visible to you. Your voice is never used to train AI models. Creating a voice. Log into your account and go to Shared Voices. Start by creating a voice from a 1 to 5 minute recording. Use a clean, professional recording with a consistent tone without music or other speakers. Name the voice and add further details. Using Edit Voice, you can add more information that studios can later use to find the voice in their library. You should also create an audio preview using Create Preview, so studios can easily listen to a sample of the voice.
Hi, I'm Abby, a young actress who loves bringing scripts to life with a bright, natural voice.
Sharing the voice. To share your voice with a studio, click Invite Studio. This copies a short invitation text to your clipboard, including a request for the studio's Voice Wonder ID. Paste this text into your email, add your opt-in agreement, specifying how and under what conditions the studio may use your voice, and send it to the studio. Templates for general collaboration opt-in agreements are available on our website and usually only need to be completed once per studio. When the studio replies with its Voice Wonder ID, click Grant Access, enter the ID, and confirm. The studio can now generate speech with your voice. As usual, compensation and usage terms are agreed directly between you and the studio in advance. Voice Wonder introduces 2 new production methods. With text-to-speech, the studio can generate spoken output from written text.
Let's go to the beach!
With speech-to-speech, the studio can apply your voice to previously recorded speech.
I love enjoying the sun at the beach.
I love enjoying the sun at the beach.
Because these methods are new to traditional workflows, we provide a non-binding pricing matrix as a guideline. If you want to end access, simply click Revoke Access next to the studio's name. Your voice. Full transparency. Voice sharing records all activity for 90 days. You can see which studio used which voice, when it was used, and the exact text that was generated. Click Report next to the voice to download a summary. You will also receive email notifications whenever one of your voices was activated. Your voice is yours. Share your voice with selected studios. Set your rights and fees directly. Full transparency and control in your dashboard. Voices are never used to train speech models. Secure European data. Fully GDPR compliant. Voice Wonder. Level up your voice production.